Lesson 27, Rational Expressions. Remember that a rational expression is an expression that has fractions with letters in the denominator. Just like with any other fraction, when we're adding or subtracting, we need common denominators. So what we have to do is look for the LCM, or the least common multiple. In this case, since x and x minus 1 don't have anything in common, the LCM is just multiplying each other. So the common denominator that I want is this one that I wrote, x times x minus m. But right now we only have x. So I have to multiply by what I'm missing, which is x minus m. And if I do it on the bottom, I also do it on the top. Now for the other one, what we're missing is the x. So I multiply the bottom and the top. My final answer is going to be 3x minus 3m, because we have to do distributive property, and plus 5x. In this case, 3x and 5x are like terms, so we need to add them. 3 plus 5 is 8x minus 3m over the x minus m. And that's our answer. In the second example, we have to do the same. The denominators we have are x plus 2, 1, and x squared. So the LCM is going to be x squared times x plus 2. In this case, we have to multiply the first one times x squared, because that's what we're missing. For 1, we have to multiply times everything, x squared times x plus 2. And then for the last one, we just need to multiply times the parentheses, x plus 2. When I do distributive property, I get x to the third power plus 3x squared plus 5x squared times x is 5x to the third power, and 5x squared times 2 is 10x squared. Finally, 7x plus 14. Now we have to add like terms. So 1x3 plus 5x3 is 6x3. 3x2 plus 10 is 13x squared, plus 7x plus 14. And all of that over x squared and x plus 2. And that's our answer. For the next one, we have to first factorize, because we need to know what are the factors so that we can find the LCM. So we put the x and the x, and we look for two numbers that multiply give me positive 3, and added give me negative 4. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3, and negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4. So that would be the answer for that factorization. Now to find the LCM, we're going to choose all of the ones that are common. X minus 3 is common, but also what is not common, the x minus 1 and the x. Now for the first one, we're only missing the x, so we multiply the top and the bottom times x. And for the second one, we have to multiply times x minus 1. When we do distributive property, we get x squared plus 5x. And then we have to multiply the negative 2, don't forget to include the negative, times the x, which is negative 2x. And the negative 2 times the negative 1, which is positive 2. And if we do like terms, we get x squared plus 3x plus 2 with the same denominator. And that would be our answer. Very easy lesson. Make sure you do some practice and let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video.